it and compare it with this lens here. But I just feel like something is off. The last time I went, my original doctor wasn't there and somebody was replacing, but I never know that someone was replacing at the time. And when I got the prescription, may I tell you, say, I couldn't wear the glasses. I couldn't, this was me in the glasses. And I'm like, no, so this don't make no sense. So I went back on the day when my original provider was there. And I was saying to her, I don't understand why the glasses feeling like this. And she checked it and it was 4 times the dosage of what it was supposed to be. I'm saying, no, sir. So I checked my husband's glasses and it was the same thing. Because none of us could actually use the glasses. The glasses was just in the vehicle. We were in the older glasses and she changed it. But she ended up firing that guy because a lot of persons were complaining about the same thing. So if you have your